Hello learners, welcome to Kalam Learning Lab YouTube channel. In this video in this video series about everything about courses, in this video we're going to talk about WordPress website design and development course, and this particular skill, what is the job market and what is the scope for this, and what will be the career opportunities for freelancers and job seekers, and what is the entire market opportunity in a step-by-step way. So before we begin, I just want you people to please look at this 4 images which can build your great trust and confidence before we move on. Those 4 websites, BBC America, Sony Music, Microsoft News and IBM Jobs, all these 4 websites are built. There are many websites, but I just took some popular websites to show you people that these 4 websites are built using WordPress. And the beauty, WordPress is called as Content Management System. It's called as CMS. CMS stands for Content Management System. And the beauty of this is it's a god for non-techies. For example, if you don't know how to code and develop a website, then WordPress can be the best solution for you. Then without coding, you need not be a techie guy, you need not be a coder, but still you can develop beautiful websites using WordPress. And the beauty is 37% of the globe uses WordPress to develop their websites. And now, if you look at the market, why exactly the website plays an important role? August 6th, 1991 was the first year. That was the year that first website was ranked. First website was out in the market, and people started. The word called website came into market. By now, we have 1.5 billion websites on globe. So there are, just think, 1.5 billion websites. Now, any business, any organization, any individual, any foundation, if they want to showcase their presence online, and if they want to tell people that we are available in the market or we are there in the market, the one thing that every company looks for is website or an app. Now, of course, an app you need coding part, but to build a website using WordPress, you just should have a designing skill set, mindset, and you should know bit of computer and how to use internet and what is hosting and domain. It is more than enough that you can start developing website. And why it is very important that every institute or every organization thinks of website, and why it is so important is a big question mark. Let me tell you in a very simple way. For example, assume that I start a business and I create a Facebook page. I created a Facebook page, an Instagram account, and XYZ social media handles. And now I started telling that I have a business. But social media handles can be created by anybody. I mean, Tom, Dick and Harry can create his own Facebook page and tell that I'm doing this business. But website builds a great authority to the audience, and it indicates the seriousness of a businessman. So it's very important that these days every business owner thinks of having website for his organization or his company basically. So that's where the key is, that everybody looks for this website and everybody are in need of it. And in Kalam Learning Lab, we do a program called LDTP, Local Digital Transformation Program, where we teach the local students of that particular non-metro and rural part of places, and we teach them how to develop small one-page website, and they go and transform a small store into online. They connect WhatsApp Business, and they integrate Google My Business, and they start getting the small shops into online, and because India is world of small businesses, right? So we try to transform small business, and these days because of lockdown and COVID, everybody have understood the importance of being online and how the world is growing digitally. So this, taking this as an advantage, I would strongly recommend you all people to start learning how to develop websites using WordPress. And if you go to YouTube and lot of websites, there are free available content for WordPress. You can start using this content available in market, and you can start developing websites. And this is completely experiment and practical oriented study. Theory will not work in website development. You have to buy a domain name, buy a hosting, and start developing a website, and do 100 mistakes and write down what all mistakes that you have done. Don't try to repeat the same mistakes. That's where you're perfect, or you can tell that yes, you're 50 or 60% you're good with digital WordPress website design and development. So that's how you have to start with designing website. And not only with respect to job market today, or as of today on LinkedIn, in India there are more than 11,000 jobs available for WordPress website developer, and there are more than 26 jobs I saw on Naukri. And I'm just telling 2 websites, there are 100 different job portals, and you just can go each and every portal and see how many job vacancies are there. But what I would strongly recommend is start freelancing, and WordPress website design and development can be a great passive source of income for you. I would recommend you 5 to 6 different websites, where you can register yourself as a WordPress website designer and developer, and start, developing website for them and start making money out of it. Of course, the skill is very important. I'm just giving you extra thing, which is to earn money. First, you should show that you have done something in this domain. So there are 6 websites which I have listed out for you. First is freelancer.com, second is guru.com, third is upwork.com, peopleperhour.com, Fiverr, and Simply Hired, and the last, which is my favorite, talenthubstuff.com. These are the websites that you can just go and register there, and you can just go and browse how many vacancies or how many opportunities for WordPress website developer. So there are 2 aspects that here to learn any website. First is you should have a domain. What is domain is www.google.com, facebook.com, or kalamlearninglab.com, or jaityatkulkarni.com. So this name, with .com and www, this is called URL, and the name that you have is called domain. And to develop a website in with GoDaddy, or WordPress, you have to buy a domain name. There are many people who sell domain names like GoDaddy, BigRock, Namecheap.com. You can just go and purchase a domain name and buy a hosting and start. But there is another option where you need not purchase anything, but still you can start developing a website through localhost. Download WordPress, which is free completely, and second is you can download XAMPP server and start developing website in your system, and you need not even have domain and hosting. Once you're done with your development locally, you can make it live. This is also an option. Now, why it is very important and why non-techies prefer WordPress, and is it that only WordPress is one tool to develop website without coding? No, you can also try Wix. You can also try cred.io. You can also try webflow.io. These are the websites which are like same like WordPress, but 37% of globe uses WordPress. That is why everybody really on WordPress. And to start off with, what I would strongly recommend is buy a domain name, go to GoDaddy or BigRock and buy a hosting and download WordPress in your website, and go through all those plugins and themes and start developing your website. And that's where your first project, and start approaching people and start making money out of it. So this is the best thing that you can start off, and one big skill you can add in your list. And one more thing, why WordPress? The first thing, it is completely free. It is very easy, just a drag and drop. There is no coding. And third, you're not only one, you have a community. For example, you want some problem, you have a problem with your website. You have a lot of people who can come and help you. And there are a lot of plugins and themes which are ready, inbuilt, and just drag and drop, the website is ready for you. And there are many templates which are freely available, which you can use and develop website. So this is all about WordPress website design and development course. And lastly, what would be the salary range? It starts with 15 to 20,000, as an experienced person can earn on an average 40 to 50,000 rupees after 2 or 3 years of experience in WordPress website design and development. But as a freelancer, it's the best hot cake that I can recommend. Start learning WordPress website design and development, and if you really want to learn, we are ready to help you guys. Write a mail or talk to us, follow us on social media links, and we will help you to teach you WordPress website design and development.